Welcome back to my channel, ladies and gentlemen. So if you're watching this video, it's probably in 2025. So first off, I just want to wish all my viewers, subscribers, a happy new year, and hopefully we can all fulfill our dreams in 2025. Speaking of dreams, one of my dreams in 2025 is to get a Porsche 911 GT3 allocation. And I'm sure many of you folks is the same as me. You get a 911 allocation, GT3 allocation, whatever you want. Hopefully we can all get it. So for me, I am in the car business industry. I do have a Porsche 911 and I did help a few of my friends get an allocation. Not the GT3 yet, but I'm kind of working on it. So in this video, I'm just going to go through some ways which will hopefully help us get what we want in 2025. So if you guys are interested, let's go for a quick dive. First off, why is the Porsche 911 so hard to get? Well, I'm sure for everyone, for most motor enthusiasts like me, it's one of a status piece. It's one of a mental goal. It's what you want to get to show not to other people, but just to yourself that you actually made it. And then believe it or not, Porsche 911 is a really versatile car. It's good to have. It's really reliable, and it's a good daily car. You can bring it to like track days, go to work. Because of that, it is a highly coveted car. Even for me, when I got my Porsche 911 Tiger 4 GTS back in 2022, I have to wait around 2 years or so. I did ask my SA right now to get a GTS. Still a year and a half. So right here, let's just go through some steps or some tips that hopefully can help us get a Porsche 911 allocation faster. For 2025, it is called the 992.2, and because of that, there is a minor upgrade. So brand new front, brand new back. The most notable upgrade will be the interior. The tachometer is gone. There's a full screen inside, and there's no more turn-up key. It's going to be a start-stop button. If you do get the GT3, there is a turn-up key still. Other than that, if you go for a GTS, there is no more manual. If you want manual, you have to go to a Carrera T or a GT3. One more thing is the GTS is a brand new engine. It's a 3.6 liter now, and then there's a new turbo called a T hybrid. So basically, it's a brand new transmission, brand new engine. So if you can actually get a 992.2 allocation GTS, you're in luck. So first off, let me explain how a dealership allocate cars and how the different tiers are. If you're just walking, your first-time buyers, you basically put in the general population. If there's like extra cars that nobody wants, sure, the sales manager will give you a call. You're not in the kind of VIP. So tier 2 is if you're a customer before you've actually bought one, or if you have a trade-in that's highly desirable, you bump up to a tier 2. Also, if you are doing services at that Porsche dealership, that might help your chances too. So I'm sure everybody wants to ask, is there a way to jump the line? Of course there is, you just gotta pay. So there's something called the ADM, which is the additional dealer markup. If you're willing to pay, of course you jump the line. In this video, I just want to go through some steps that hopefully you don't have to pay that much, or essentially you don't have to pay at all, but still get what you want faster. Apparently, you have to be in that local area. Let's say if you're from New York, you can still buy from New Jersey, but if you go from an off state, you might not be able to get what you want. Main thing is the Porsche headquarters, they're really trying to nail down dealerships flipping cars and like exporting and stuff like that. So if you want like a more of a highly desirable car, you might have to stick to where you locally live from. Pro tips, how to increase your chances to getting what you want. So of course, number one, build a strong relationship with your current SA. Yes, buying a car from them would be the best. Actually go into the dealership and find an SA and actually talk to them, get to know them, get to know you. That will put you at a higher or better position rather than you just calling the dealerships at random times, because they will give you your SA to actually know you at a personal level. Another good point is to actually go to the dealership when they have Porsche events, or actually joining local Porsche groups. Getting to know current Porsche owners, that's actually really good. Fun fact, when I did do my car meet back in 2024, I did meet a few people that want to buy a Porsche car in which they couldn't find an allocation or couldn't find what they want. I linked them, I introduced them to my current Porsche SA, and guess what? They bought a car from her. So it's really good. It helps them, it helps me too. My Porsche SA knows that I'm a really active Porsche owner. I will help her out, and hopefully she'll help me out on a GT3 allocation. It's just really nice to like bring people to meet people, and hopefully sometimes it will work in your favor. Because when you go to a dealership, actually put a sizable deposit. Don't just put like 1,000. It doesn't mean anything. Put like 5,000, 10,000, but make sure it's a refundable deposit. And when you're doing it, give them an actual build code. Just don't be like, oh, just give me a call when the allocation pops up. No, give them an actually build code, but give them 2 or 3. Give them the first one that actually has exactly what you want, all the different options. If you have PTS, no PTS, PCC brakes, whatever, just give them the first one that you really want. But give them 1 or 2 more that's like, if I can't get that allocation, we're still good to go with these 2. Because there's a lot of stop sales going on, paint to sample, there might be delays. If you want the fixed wing, there might be a delay too. But a lot of times, dealerships do get random open allocation that has to be lost soon. But if they go through the list and they see that you're ready to go, there's more higher chances that your allocation would get picked. Another thing, I've actually talked to my SA, the waiting times, surprisingly, GTS is actually the longest, about a year and a half. The T, good news, the T has manual now, but because it's essentially the same engine as the previous gen, so the wait isn't that long, 6 to 8 months, probably up to a year. So if you want the best, the newest GTS, probably a year and a half too. If you actually want something a bit sooner, getting the T or the base might actually help with your odds. If you just can't wait, summer's coming, spring's coming, you just want something very soon, probably going like lightly used would be the way to do it. But do let your SA know that what you're buying right now, you're actually aiming to get an allocation and you're going to use that as a trade-in. Again, this will boost your odds as well because A, you're going to be a returning customer, and B, because you have a trade-in. That will essentially boost you up to the tier 2. So to summarize this quick video, go to a dealership, actually meet an SA, put a sizable deposit, give them a build code, and always keep contact with your SA. Last but not least, go to Porsche events, find current Porsche owners, and have them refer you to SA. If you're a current owner like me, refer more people to your SA. That will highly boost your chances. Hopefully this video will help you folks out. Hopefully we will all get what we want in 2025. If you have any questions, definitely leave them at the comments down below. If there's anything that I missed or anything you want to add, leave them in the comments down below as well. So thanks for watching this quick video. Have a great day, guys.